How to fix CapCut loading effect problem. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and in this video we will see how we can fix CapCut loading effect problem. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now whenever you try to edit your video in CapCut and you want to apply some effect but that's still not loading, so here is how you can fix it. So first and foremost, make sure that your CapCut application is updated to its latest version. So to update the application, open up Google Play Store in your device and in the search bar, type in CapCut. If your application is missing out any updates, you will have an update option like mine. Simply tap on update. Once the update is complete, now you can go back to CapCut and check whether your problem is solved or not. Try to apply various effects and check for your problem. If that still didn't help you, then you have to make sure that you have strong internet connection. So for that, go to your Wi-Fi settings in your mobile device and make sure that your Wi-Fi is working properly. Try to switch with other Wi-Fi connection as well and check whether if there is any problem with your Wi-Fi connection. If not, you can switch your Wi-Fi connection with your mobile data in your device as well. So these are the way to fix CapCut loading effect problem in your device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I will see you on next video.